Hello, today we will guide you through how to measure distance in Microsoft PowerPoint. To begin, open the PowerPoint app. Once it launches, start with a blank presentation. This gives you a clean workspace, which makes it much easier to see spacing, alignment, and distance clearly without any extra elements getting in the way. After your blank presentation opens, go to the top of the window and click on Insert. This tab contains the tools you need for adding objects to your slide. Since PowerPoint does not offer a dedicated measuring tool in the same way some design apps do, one practical way to estimate distance is by placing an object on the slide and then using PowerPoint's visual layout tools to help you judge spacing. Next, click on Shapes. A menu will appear with different shape options. Choose a sample shape, then place it onto the slide. You can use any simple shape here, such as a rectangle or square, because the main goal is to have a visible object on the slide that you can use as a reference point. When placing the shape, try to drop it somewhere easy to see, near the center of the slide if possible. Once the shape is on the slide, move to the top menu again and click on View. This section includes display tools that help you work more precisely with objects and layout. These tools are especially useful when you want to judge how far an object is from the edge of the slide or from another element. In the View tab, click to enable Ruler, Grid Lines, and Guides. These three options work together to help you measure distance visually. The ruler shows measurement markings along the edges of the slide. Grid lines add a repeated structure across the slide, making it easier to estimate equal spacing. Guides provide alignment references that help you position objects more accurately. With these turned on, you can begin checking the distance between your shape and other areas on the slide by comparing its position against the ruler and the grid. If needed, drag the shape slightly to see how it lines up with the guides. This is a simple and effective way to measure and control spacing in PowerPoint, especially when you're arranging slide elements neatly. That's all it takes to measure distance more accurately in Microsoft PowerPoint using the built-in layout tools.